Okay, so looking at the question example 3 that you have on this board, this is an example 3. This is the question. You have to find the marked angle. So now, if you are looking at this marked angle, you are asked to find y. You also asked to find your z. So it should not be too much of a problem to find any of this. It should not be too much of a problem to find any of them. So now, we know that the angle at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference of the circle. So that has made our work easy. So you can say that your AOC is equals to 2 times ABC. 2 times ABC. So AOC is denoted with letter Y, which is equals to letter Y, which is equals to 2 times 114. So what is your Y? Your Y is equals to 2 times 114 should give you 228 degrees. So that means this Y has become 228 degrees. Now looking at this question, to find your Z, we know that from here to here is your radius, and the distance from the center of the circle to any given part of the circumference of the circle is the what? Is called radius. So this is radius, this is also called radius. So if here is a Z, the ideal place can also be Z. Definitely we should know that. So because it is forming what type of triangle? An isosceles triangle. So if I consider triangle AOC, I can as well say that my OAC is equals to OCA, which is equals to Z. Reason: base angle of isosceles triangle. That's the base angle of isosceles triangle. So now that means here is Z, this place is also Z. Now I can as well now find this angle here. If I find this angle, because I know that my AOC plus this value of Y here is equals to 360 angle at a point. So I can now say that my Y, which is 228, plus AOC, that is the internal one, is equals to 360 degrees. So your AOC here is equals to 360 minus 228. Look at what we are saying here. Now what we are having here is very similar to what you have been doing. There's not something different from what we have here. So you can see that we have 360 minus 228 from the question. That should give you 132. That means your AOC here, that means this part here is 132. So we are saying that your AOC is equals to 132 degrees. Now if that place is 132, we can as well continue our solution at this point, that our AOC, remember, we can as well say that our AOC plus OAC plus OCA equals to 180 degrees. Reason: sum of angle in a triangle. Always write your reasons. Nobody is going to mark your work when your reasons are not clearly stated out. This one is saying angle at the what? Angle at the center. You must always write all of these reasons out. You must, is a must. So what is your AOC? Your AOC is saying 132 plus, these are base angles. So here is what now? Here is letter Z plus Z is equals to 180 degrees. So 2Z equals to 180 minus 132. You can see with this now, I've been able to make your work easy for you. If without this, you will not be able to do all of this conveniently. So if you don't do this, then you should be able to do this all by yourself. So this will give you 2Z is equals to 48 degrees. So what's your Z now? Your Z is equals to 48 degrees over 2. So which is equals to what now? 24 degrees. Like I said, you should always conclude. We said that, so therefore you are saying that your Y is equal to 228 degrees and your z is equals to 24 degree. That is the solution to that example 2. So that's example 3. Let's solve one more example before I give you activity questions to solve.